This is CIC 1-star number 20. I think this is Andrea Leatherman and Neveah. Oops.
Andrea Leatherman does the drop log, and she has a big drop off there at 11. Just about done. That is Karen and Fluid Charm finishing up through the gazebo with 3 to go. Andrea heads down to the duck pond. And 21, top of the course, Tim Burke riding Lucan Quality. This is number 21. And Tim's over the third. Goes out to the in and out at 4 AB. Karen finishing up, Fluid Charm, 2 to go. Andrea and Neveah into the duck pond at 12. 12 ABC. Tim Burke is clear at 3. Onto the turn at 4.
He's on deck.
Oh my goodness.
Sorry, the first one I'm videoing, so.
And finishing up the clear round, Karen Chong, Fluid Charm, that's number 19 over the last.